Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to craft a unique sticky projectile using common household items. We'll go step by step, ensuring you understand each part of the process. This project is designed for creative play and safe enjoyment for everyone. We'll focus on making a fun, adhesive craft that can stick to various surfaces. To begin your sticky craft, you'll need just a few basic items. Gather around 5 to 7 standard popsicle sticks. You'll also need one sturdy rubber band, approximately 1/8 inch wide, and some craft glue or strong double-sided tape. Finally, a small piece of soft, sticky modeling clay, about 1 cubic inch, will be essential for the adhesive tip. First, take 3 popsicle sticks and align them perfectly. Wrap the rubber band tightly around one end of the stack, securing them together. Next, attach 2 additional sticks to the sides of the main body, forming a wide V shape at the front. Use craft glue or tape to firmly attach these 2 sticks. Finally, mold your sticky clay onto the very front tip, ensuring it adheres well. Once assembled, your sticky craft is ready for action. Find a smooth, flat surface like a window or a whiteboard to use as a target. Gently toss or flick your creation towards it. The soft, sticky tip should adhere upon impact, providing a fun and satisfying result. This craft is perfect for indoor play, encouraging creativity and hand-eye coordination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.